Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and it's called the notification bell. And I recommend that you press it. The reason being is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of what the video is all about. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So with the notification bell, you'll be ahead of everybody else when my videos come up. All right, today is a really extra special day for me because I'm getting to share with you the other side of my world outside of YouTube. And that is the business that I have with one of my brothers, and it's called Improving Lifestyles. If you've been with me a while, you've known that a couple of times we have done a product from our Improving Lifestyles website, and we shared it here on the channel. It is more geared right now towards men, so it's not something that we usually choose to share on this platform. But because this is part of my life, I want to make sure that I can share it with you. And with Father's Day right around the corner, it's when we start thinking about the men in our life and what we can get them. So we thought this would be a great time to do a giveaway with one of the wallets that we haven't had the opportunity to feature on this channel yet. So in the past, we did a couple of wallets. Actually, the first wallet we did that was received exceptionally well is called Cooper. It's one of our most popular wallets. It's a bigger wallet. It's a bifold, which means it folds in half. And it is my brother, who's my partner, his favorite wallet. And it's more of a European style wallet. Today, what I've decided to do, along with my brother, is we decided to choose the wallet that my other brother, who's not in business with us, it's his favorite wallet. So we're going to be doing that. And today it's called Cory. So I'm going to go through the features and everything in this wallet, so you'll see if it's something that you want for yourself. And then I'll share with you how you're able to get this as our giveaway today. All right. All of our units that we do, just to give you a little bit of background in reference to Improving Lifestyles, our business. My brother and I had a different business while we lived in Canada, and we were importers, distributors for lines that were exclusive to us in a completely different industry. But it gave us an opportunity to travel the world. And during our travels, we made a lot of connections with manufacturers and sourcing and things like that. But always when we were traveling or even doing trade shows just in the United States, we always went into the shopping malls to just check what was going on in the real world outside of our day-to-day routine. And no matter what, we were always ended up for my brother in the men's wallet section. It was something he always felt it was something he liked and something he enjoyed, but he could never find the features. He had to carry more than one wallet based on the features that he liked in a wallet. So when we had the opportunity, when we moved to the United States, he's such an entrepreneur, and he feeds me with using creativity and things like that. So what we decided to do is we decided to start this other business just due to connections and things, and we were able to work with manufacturers that were able to add features into what we call the day-to-day products. And we felt if we were able to offer it, because we were always importers and distributors, we know the markups and we know how things work straight from the manufacturer to the middleman to the wholesalers to the distributors and then out to the public. And we were figuring maybe what we can do is source ourselves, work with the people that we know and that we trust, and then offer it directly on a website directly to you. So in other words, we're cutting out a lot of the tiers. So the prices that we're able to offer you on our website are fantastic, but it does not take away 1 ounce of the quality, because what we wanted to make sure was that the quality was there on a product that people use on a daily basis. And that's how we decided to start this. And it's been doing very well, but I want to make sure that everybody knows about it, because It is something that we started just a little bit ago, but we've always worked together for a long time. And this is something that ended up being a passion for us, and we're enjoying it so much. And I wanted to have the opportunity to share it with you guys here. So every product that we have on our website is free freight across USA. The prices that you'll see when you go to visit our website, you will not believe how we're able to do this, but it's because we've taken away all the layers. This is a full leather wallet. It is man-made. Every product that we sell on our website comes with what we put in an organza bag. The reason we did this, we wanted it to feel like a gift, because if you're anything like me, when I receive a gift or give a gift, I get that same fantastic feeling. And I get it when I do giveaways on this channel as well. So I wanted to make sure that when you received it, you knew it was ready to give as a gift, or if it's for yourself, you're getting a gift. So that's what the organza bags are all about, and each wallet will come with that organza bag. So the one that we're talking about today, his name is Cory. And why this is my other brother's favorite wallet, it is a trifold wallet. And what that means to you is that it folds into 3, and it makes it into a more compact wallet. So you're able to, everybody's able to make this fit in their front pocket or their back pocket. But the trifold across the board in the world, it is the #1 selling style wallet. And I just want to go through some of the features with you. So like I said, it opens up into 3. So you have your first section here, you have your middle section. We put some extra little plastic inserts here, as well as another section here. And then you also have 2 areas with your bifold and a special surprise inside here, which I'm going to go through with you guys. Okay, so on the first side here, we have 4 areas here for credit cards. We have on the exact same thing on this side here. You're also able to put some items underneath this area here, as well as on this side here. In the center here, we have what we call the window ID. And it has a little fingertip, if you can see, if I can get it up into the camera, it has a little area here that's cut out, and it's called the finger guide. This is a feature that's usually only found in really, really expensive wallets, and it was something we wanted to make sure that was in ours. It enables you to take the card that's in here in and out a lot easier. You simply slide it with your finger guide. So as opposed to trying to grab it from the inside and pulling it out, it's just a little extra feature. Also here, we decided to put in just 4 extra little plastic inserts, because some people have more than 8 credit cards that they want to put in here. But if it's something you don't want, it is easily removed from the wallet. The inside here, we have 2 billfold areas. The reason this was important for my brother is, like I mentioned at the beginning, we traveled a lot. So we had to have our currency, which at that point was Canadian, and we usually carried our American currency here. The other feature that we put in, which I think is really, really unique to a man's wallet, is there's a hidden zipper here in the back. And I'm wondering if you guys can see it here. So in this area, the zipper opens up all the way across the back panel, and you're able to put in there if it's a higher bill currency, or you want to put something that you just want to keep private and personal. That's an area that you know is secure, and you really, no one would know it when you were opening up the wallet that that little area was there. So we have the hidden zipper in one of the billfolds area. We have the double billfold. We have the credit cards available on this side and this side. You have your window ID. You have the extra pockets that are behind each one of the credit cards, as well as one that's hidden behind in the window ID here. So it's really, really exciting. And again, we put those extra plastic inserts just so that it's available to you guys if you had extra cards that you needed to take when you were traveling that you didn't want to always have in your wallet on your day-to-day. So at the airport, if you have that extra card that you need for your aeroplanes or things like that, that you really don't need on a day-to-day, but you need it when you travel, that's what this was really put in there for. So this is our trifold wallet. It is our #1 trifold wallet, which means it folds in 3. And like I said, his name is Cory. So that's our giveaway that we are going to be doing, and we're doing it hopefully in time for you guys to get it to give as a gift for Father's Day. And like I said, it does come in the organza bag. I will leave down below exactly what I'm saying now in reference to the giveaway, but my giveaways are very easy. The only added thing on this giveaway, it has to include something in reference to improving lifestyles. So you have to be subscribed to my channel here on True Wants, and you have to make sure that your account is public. I will leave a little link. I made a 4-minute video, or just under 4 minutes. It's so quick and easy how to make your account public. I'll leave that underneath too, so you can check, so that when you come down, if I don't get a little red dot beside your name, it tells me that you're not public. And when we do the pulling out, it pulls based on the people that are public. So I don't want you guys missing out. So I'll leave that link down below so you'll see how to make sure. So if I see that you're not public, I will write back in the comments that your account isn't public to double check the video, so you'll be able to change your account to public. Why being public is so important. When YouTube sets us up, they set up our channels, and people like yourself, when you set up, they set it all up as private. It's up to us to go in to change it to public. And our creator, which is the person that does the videos, could only know that you're supporting their channel is if your account is public. If your account is private, our numbers will still go up under our subscribers. We just won't know that you're the one supporting our channel and making that number go up. So it's really important that your account is public. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that I need you to follow me on True Wants #2 on Instagram, as well as Improving Lifestyles on Instagram. I will leave, like I said, all that down below, and that's all there is to it. I would love if you had the opportunity to share this with others, to let them know about us and these channels. But for us, it's really important to be able to give back to the people that have been supporting True Wants, which in turn is supporting Improving Lifestyles as well. And that's it. So hopefully you guys, if you were interested in this, just leave in the comments down below that you're interested in Cory for the giveaway, and that you have followed me on Instagram, True Wants with the #2, as well as Improving Lifestyles. And you have to mark that in the comments, because what we're going to do is we're going to be contacting you not only under this video that you're the winner, but we're also going to be contacting you through direct message so that we can share personal information of where we're going to be sending the product to. All right. So good luck to everybody who's interested in Cory, and I'm excited that we're able to share this with you guys on this platform. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you choose some time out of your day to spend it with me. I want everyone to continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.